Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Art Official MCon. How are you all doing? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to draw a realistic blueberry. This is a super simple and easy tutorial that's perfect for beginners. So, let's grab our drawing tools and get started. Step 1. The initial sketch. Step 2. The blueberry crown. Okay, now let's draw the top part of the blueberry. See that little crown-like shape? We're going to draw that lightly as well. I'm using a graphite pencil for this initial sketch, which makes it easy to erase any mistakes later. Step 3. Outlining and adding color. Now it's time to make our outline a bit darker. I'm using a dark blue pencil for this. It's important to make the outline clear, but not too thick. This will help us a lot when we start coloring later. See how I'm just following the circle we drew earlier? Next, we'll add a little bit of a color variation. I'm taking a purple pencil and adding a thin line near the dark blue outline. Just a little purple touch to make it pop. And right next to that, we'll add a touch of maroon for a richer look. It gives a nice shadow effect and makes it look even more realistic. Step 4. Adding the base color. Alright, let's get to the fun part, coloring. For this, we'll grab a light blue pencil. We're going to use a very light touch to evenly fill the entire blueberry. You don't need to press too hard, just a smooth, light coat of color. It's like giving our blueberry a nice, even tan. Step 5. Shading for a 3D effect. Okay, now for some shading. Let's make some parts darker to give our blueberry a cool 3D effect. I'm using the dark blue pencil again. We'll add a dark shade where the light wouldn't normally hit, like on the bottom and the sides. This helps make it look round, like a real, plump blueberry. Next, for the inner part, I'm using a black pencil to add some depth. This will make the top crown part really pop out. Just a little touch of black in the center to make it stand out. Step 6. Blending and highlighting. Now we're going to blend our colors together. You can also use a white pencil or a blending tool to make it super smooth. This helps the colors mix together and look more natural. Step 7. Adding water droplets. A good drawing is all about the details. To make this blueberry look super realistic and fresh, we're going to add some water droplets. First, I'm taking a black pencil to create a tiny, curved shadow right under where the droplet will be. This shadow will make the water droplet look 3D and like it's actually sitting on the blueberry. Next, we'll use a white pencil to draw the main body of the droplet. And inside of it, I'll add a small reflection with a light gray pencil. See how it's starting to look like a real, shiny water droplet? Make a few of these little droplets on your blueberry to make it look even more delicious. The final touch. And with that, our detailed blueberry drawing is complete. See how the mix of colors and those highlights makes it look so fresh and juicy? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned some new tips and tricks. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, leave a comment down below and tell me what you'd like to draw next.